Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The dish consists of deep-fried pork or chicken with corn flour batter into bite-sized pieces and subsequently coated with the sweet and sour sauce that consists of ketchup, chili sauce, plum sauce, sugar, lemon juice and salt. 8 November 2016.
Take our lead.
While Chinese restaurant food is bad for your waistline and blood pressure, sodium contributes to hypertension, it does offer vegetable-rich dishes and the kind of fat that's not bad for the heart. A plate of stir-fried greens has 900 calories and 2,200 milligrams of sodium. 21 March 2007.
Take our lead.
We love this served over steamed brown rice or cauliflower rice. You could also stir in some cooked noodles, such as spaghetti or rice noodles, and maybe some extra sauce or pasta water to make a sweet and sour chicken pasta dish. 9 August 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sweet and sour chicken. Even though chicken is a lean protein, the calorie count shoots way up when you batter and deep fry it and then drown it in a sugary sauce. This dish's calorie count skyrockets to over 1,000 calories due to all of that oil-soaked batter and overly sweetened sauce.
Let's help you make your mark.
The dish generally comprises cubes of white meat chicken deep-fried in batter and served with sweet and sour sauce. Chinese restaurants in Western countries commonly serve chicken, pork, or shrimp that has been battered and deep-fried, then served with a sweet and sour sauce poured over the meat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.